How do you compare decimals? Think about this during the lesson. Can you think of times when people would compare decimals? Decimals may be used in comparing baseball batting averages. Scientists also may use decimals to compare the weights of animals or insects. Which penny weighs more, a 1982 penny or a 2013 penny? A penny made in 1982 weighs about 11/100ths of an ounce. A penny made in 2013 weighs about 9/100ths of an ounce. There is more than one way to compare decimals. One way is to use place value blocks. Which group of place value blocks shows a greater value? The left group of place value blocks contains more blocks, so it shows a greater value. Another way to compare decimals is to use hundredths grids. Which grid shows a greater value? The left grid has more blocks shaded, so it shows a greater value. Another way to compare decimals is to use place value. Start at the left. Look for the first place where the digits are different. The first place where the digits are different is the tenths place. Which digit is greater? One-tenth is greater than 0/10. So 11/100ths is greater than 9/100ths. A penny made in 1982 weighs more than a penny made in 2013. How is comparing decimals using place value the same as comparing whole numbers using place value? You use the same strategy for both when comparing. Compare the place value of each digit starting from the left or at the greatest place value. When the place value is different, compare to determine which digit is greater or lesser. Always start comparing from the left or the place with the greatest value. The number that has more digits is not always the greater number. Try it yourself. Compare the following batting averages.